Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Okay, let's continue the turtles treasure hunting. Okay, let's see. So last time we prepare empty canvas and then reuse the previous code and implemented the movement part. Homework was use different colors depending on the direction. So let's check the code again. Actually, I found a mistake. So let's connect and do the pip install initialization. And then let's see what was wrong with this. Okay, let's clean this. I noticed that maybe in this case, if I write this way, even if the input was wrong, like P, yeah, it will go forward. So I need to write continue here so that if the input was other than EWSN, it will not go forward. Okay, so this is better. Okay, so the homework was, for example, I can change colors of the pen here. So so for example, if horizontal, it's green, and horizontal. Okay, let's see. Okay, and then for vertical, let's see, purple. How about this? Okay. And also, I asked you to draw the turtle in red when you're done. So let's change the pen color, actually the turtle color, to red. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so going north, going south maybe. Oh, something's wrong. What's wrong? Pen. I did the same mistake again. It's not pen, but color. Okay, let's copy this, paste here, paste here, paste here, paste here, and paste here. Sorry about that. Okay, so going, say, east this time. Good. South. Good. So west. Okay. South again. Wrong. So east. Good. East. I'm moving so that I can north. Have the distance smaller. Okay. And north. Let's check that. Wrong. Oh, correct. So the turtle is red. Okay. So good. So what's next? Today's lessons 36, treasure hunting 2. Let us first draw a grid line. So maybe it's better to have grid lines here, right? So let's learn to draw grid lines before starting to the movement. So what is the best way? Maybe we can make an extra box here and then move some parts toward, okay, actually, let's move the input random to here. And then also move this one. Let's move the first 3 draw lines to the previous cell, and let's draw lines. So it's like this, okay? So what we want is like this. So first horizontal lines, go to the first start point, draw, And don't forget to pen up and down. Okay, correctly. So maybe we do pen up. Let's see, what is the position of the rightmost point? Maybe we need some, okay, let's move this. We need some offset, boundary offset to say 5, 10, okay. So that, yeah, there's a space here, okay, here and there. Okay, so maybe offset is 10 and size is 50 for each cell. This length is 50, okay? So, okay, let's quickly make sure that we write in the, so this is, let's sorry, let's draw, okay, in black this time. So this will be 50, 10, and this will be 50. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, but actually we will use 5 boxes. So good. So pen up. So one line is go to say x is 10, y is 10. BB. Y is BB. And the ending point, yeah, that's right. And then pen down, forward, set heading, set head 0, go to the east, and then draw forward by how many? SS times NN. Okay, let's check that this will draw one line. Good. So one thing I noticed was that the turtle is too slow, and also the BB is too small. So maybe let's have it, the boundary offset to be 50. And also we want the turtle to be, to be fast. Okay. And let's see, what else? Good. The pen color should be black. And pen width should be thinner. Okay, how about this? Let's draw one line. Okay, maybe 50 is too big. So how about 25? Okay, and then let's repeat it 5 times. Okay, so 4, okay, J in range, NN times, and then plus 1 time because we want one more line, 6 lines this time, and select this and tab so that we can continue. The Y position should be, okay, in this case, Y should be, start with BB. Maybe we can calculate this. So how about this? Y, okay. And then increment Y by NN. No, SS. Okay, let's run this. Good, good. Very beautiful. Okay, do the same thing for X. Repeat the horizontal line and then plus 1 times. Okay, next vertical lines likewise. So let's do this. Let's copy this. And X should be BB. Right. Go to XBB. set direction heading to 90, and x should be incremented by SS. How about this? Let's check this. Beautiful. Okay. Now, okay, good. So change pen width like this. And continue this time without initialization. So what's the point? Now we have extra boundary offset of BB. Maybe we can write plus BB here. Okay, let's see if it works correctly. And we don't need to print the position. So comment this out. Let's run this. Okay, now we finished drawing, so we can continue drawing. Okay, good. So north. Pen width is too thin. What's wrong with this? I don't know. Pen width should be okay. What's wrong with this? Okay, north. Okay, correct. But the point is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1. It's correct, but the point is why the pen width is so thin. Change pen width to, is there any width description here? Okay, let's change to 9 and let's run it again. We need to change the turtle color to, say, blue. Black. Okay, let's run this. Run again. Okay, here. Okay, north. I don't know. It's working. Okay. East, south, north, east, south. Okay, good. Okay, I hope you like that. Let's check the slide. So generalize the code using variables. So we did our best to do that. So we use the variables such as NN, SS, and BB so that we can generalize it anytime we want. Okay. So again, let's draw it with this one, just like previous time. And then continue by this. Let's run it. Okay. It's beautiful, right? West, north, east, north. Okay, south. Okay, good. So I hope you like this. Homework. Try 10 by 10 grid. I'm sure you can do it. Okay, I hope you like that. Be sure to come back. Bye-bye.